Ayan, so magandang gabi sa lahat. So para sa aking mga students dyan na magte-take ng DOST Undergraduate Examination, Scholarship Examination sa April 5 and 6. So wala tayong time mag-review sa school, pero eto, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng mga anong ba ang dapat nyong asahan sa exam natin, ano yung coverage. So mabilis lang ito guys. Ayan, so ang coverage ng ating exam, ayan, so sabi dyan, it will consist of 250 to 300 multiple choice questions. So, hindi ko lang sure kung hanggang ngayon ay ganyan pa rin siya, pero paiba-iba naman yan kada taon. And then, kada subject ay iba-ibang number of items. So, ito yung mga dapat nyong aralin. So, for English, ayan, in general, reading comprehension, grammar, vocabulary, abstract reasoning, yung logical patterns and sequences. Sa mathematics natin, algebra, geometry, trigo, stats, and mga worded problems. And then sa ating science ay yun, biology, chemistry, physics, earth science. So ang maganda dito ay uh, kumbaga general knowledge itong ating mga subjects dito. So, lahat yan ay naaral nyo na from grade 7 to grade 12. Dapat. Ayan na. So, dapat naaral nyo na. Pero dig in pa natin kung ano nga ba yung mga kailangan nyo pang aralin or i-focus. Ayan. So, start natin sa English natin. So, ito yung mga karaniwang makikitang questions. Actually, hindi lang sa exam na DOS dito eh. So, sa mga entrance exam din. So, given four set of words, find the one that is different in meaning compared with the rest. So, sa English kasama yan. And then, yung verbal analogy. For example daw, sun is today, as moon is tonight. So, ayun, kadalasan naman dyan mga synonyms lang or yung mga related na words sa isa't isa. And then, identifying errors. Kunwari, merong isang mahabang statement sa ang part ng statement na yun may mali. Ayan. Tapos yung vocabulary nga, synonyms, antonyms, tsaka yung reading comprehension ninyo. So, may time limit yan guys ha. So, dapat bilis-bilisan nyo lang din ang pagbabasa. Pero dapat, nagigets nyo din ang binabasa nyo, hindi yung basa lang ng basa. And then, sa abstract reasoning, ayan, so makikita nyo dyan, which figure comes next? So, kunwari, square, tapos may square below, mga ganun. Tapos, ano na yung next na mangyayari sa kanya? So, yung isa dyan is yung which is the odd one out. So, lahat magkakatulad except sa isa. And then, may mga examples pa tayo na a piece of paper is folded diagonally 4 times and a hole is punched at the corner. How would it look like if it's unfolded? So, kumbaga, aanuhin mo yung imagination mo dyan. And then, kunwari, meron 3 sides of a block are shown. Which of the following is the most likely configuration of the block if it were unfolded? And then, meron ka din given the side and top view of a solid, find the identical figure of the given solid among the choices. Ayan. So, yan ang ating abstract reasoning. And then, itong madugo, mathematics. So, bakit siya madugo? Kasi, mano-mano to, walang calculator. Pero, ano yung mga dapat mong tandaan? So, ito yung PEMDAS operations natin. So, ayan, very basic from mula grade 1 ka, inaaral mo na yan. Then, sama mo pa yung exponents natin. Ayan, mga radicals. Ayan, kadalasan sa exponents, yung loss of exponents daan, sino yung mawawalang exponent. Tapos, yung i-add mo lang pala sila. Ayan. And then, meron kang slope of a line. So, paano nga ba kumuha ng slope of a line? So, may mga kadalasan, ilalagay mo lang siya in form ng slope line. Ang tawag doon, slope intercept form yung line mo, o kaya naman pwede mo siyang i-derivative na lang. Tapos yung Cartesian plane natin, yung parallel and perpendicular lines. So, anuhin nyo na lang yun kung sino yung dapat magkamuka yung kanyang slope, si parallel ba or perpendicular. And then yung dividing polynomials natin, ayan, so study nyo na lang, maganda malaman is yung synthetic division process. And then yung circles kasama din dyan, pwede yung finding the length of a side, ayan, tapos yung equation ng circle, ayan, sa ano yan, yung mga sa analytic geometry yan, equation ni circle. Then yung mga tangents, ayan. Then kasama din si right triangle, SOHCAHTOA, trigo identities, yung mga basic lang yung sa Pythagorean identities natin. So, dapat alam nyo yun. And then, finding the area of the shaded region. Solving for the diagonals of a quadrilateral. So, yan naman ay formula-based. So, memorize mo na lang. And then, yung triangle postulates natin. And then, yung limits and derivatives. So, sa limits, maganda ay fresh pa kasi grade 11 inaaral pa yan. And then yung derivatives natin, ayun, so yung basic derivatives lang naman ang kasama dyan, hindi yung mga pangmalakasan. And then yung probability, ayan, kunwari set of marbles with different colors, yung cards, ayan, ano yung mga probability na makuha mo ay red cards lang, ayan, so yun yung mga dapat nyong balikan. And then sa science naman, ayan, so, parts of a microscope, what controls the amount of light entering the lens? So, yan ang ating diaphragm. Example na yan. Evolution and variation, cell biology, so site for ATP production, yung study the organelles and their functions then. And then, yung parallel and series circuits, so sa physics yan, physics 2, kung paano kumuha ng voltage, ng current, kapag series o kaya parallel. And then, syempre, yung total resistance natin. And then, for the projectile motion, kasama din yan. Yung kinematics. And then, yung tension, kailan nagkakaroon ng tension force natin. And then, computation for the molarity and atomic mass. Ayan, sa chemistry yan. Electron configuration and quantum numbers, yung s, p, d, and f orbitals mo. And then, yung kinetic, tapos paano mo malalaman yung valence electrons given yung SPDF or electron configuration. So, kasama din yan. Kinetic molecular theory, types of faults, ayan, study the hanging wall and footwall orientations, yung soil horizons natin. Ayan, so may question dyan. Aquifers and water tables, kasama din. And then yung types of rocks sa science din, yung sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic sa earth and life ata to. Weather and climate natin, so merong, ayan, example daw yung Coriolis effect, seasons in the Philippines, and typhoons. And then yung sa constellations, so ito yung madalas na lumalabas, yung what constellation is the most conspicuous in the Philippine sky during summer. So ang sagot dyan is yung Orion ata, Orion. Hindi ko alam ang basa. So Orion. Yan ay kapag summer. Kapag late summer naman is yung Scorpius. Ayan. And then kapag mechanical technical naman, so this part is about basic physics and engineering concepts. So ano yung mga basic engineering concepts natin? Yung mga simple machines. Ayan, levers, pulleys, screws, wheel, and axle. Kunwari, which pulley system will efficiently lift the load? So, may mga images doon. And then, yun yung mga questions natin. Sa thermodynamics naman, parang situational lang din siya. So, isipin mo lang. So, you want to cool down a bottle of juice before drinking it. In which container should you put the bottle so that it would cool in the least amount of ice possible? Ayan. Then, kasama din yung water capillarity. On which type of tube will water rise the greatest? Ayan. A black is tied to the ceiling with 4 strings on which string is tension the greatest. Ayan. A pail is full of water. Kapag daw minove mo siya side to side, ano magiging direction ni or movement ni water mo? And then yung mga movement of gears din natin. And then lastly, yan, kasama yung self-evaluation and assessment. So yan ay parang sa ating entrance exam lang. So meron lang mga checklist na pipili ka. So, yun lang for today. Thank you for for watching. Wow, vlogger, creator. Ayan, so bukas try nating sagot ng mga common problems. Ayan. So, ang focus ko lang ay yung science and mathematics kasi feeling ko dun lang ako marunong, hindi pa nga magaling. So, dun lang ako din expert ng konti sa science and math. So, ayan, kita-kits bukas. Thank you.